Do you like ice cream? I love ice cream. And when you eat ice cream, you have to scoop it. So we're going to talk about how when we read, we're going to think of scooping ice cream with an ice cream scooper. So I have a sentence down here. I've given you a couple different color-coded clues to help you read this sentence. Now, if I was a robot, I might say, the tall man walked up to the front door. Ugh, that's not the best way to read that sentence. I'm going to use scoops to make this sentence sound better. Well, the tall man, that sounds like a scoop. Walked up, that's the verb, he walked up to the front door. So I just used 1, 2, 3 scoops to make that sentence sound smoother. The tall man walked up to the front door. It also makes it easier for me to understand. Here's another one. Now, the robot, he would read it like this. He told us to walk quietly in the library. Ooh, let's try that with some scooping. He told us, to walk quietly in the library. So as you can see, each scoop has 3 words. That doesn't always have to be true, but it sure is going to help us read it a lot better than the robot. He told us to walk quietly in the library. So you end up having little pauses between each scoop, but that's how we talk too. He told us to walk quietly in the library. Now, here's some more phrases we're going to scoop. You can see each phrase has 3 words. So each ice cream scoop is going to have 3 words. So I'm going to actually scoop it, and I want you to read it when I scoop it. Ready? Now, I'll show you how I would do it, and you can practice again with me. On his neck, in the bath, with a limp, had to quit, crashed the van, drank his milk, up the block, in the spring. Now, we don't have a whole sentence, so sometimes it's hard to tell the meaning and how our voices should sound. But that's okay. The idea is it's smooth. Instead of a big quiz, we want to say a big quiz. Now, Q and U stick like glue. Quiz. A quiz is a test. So I'm going to scoop them again, and I want you to read them, and then I'll go over them. Ready? All right, so now I'm going to do it, and you can do it again with me. Both of us on the branch, find the shop. Now, I haven't told you about OLD. That says old. So if you put a C in front of it, it's old, cold. A bad cold. In the spring, by the flag, with his class. Now here's some sentences. I'm going to show you where the scoops go, and then I want you to try to read them. So that's how I would scoop those sentences. Now, some of those sentences have 4 or 5 words, and that's okay. So let's do it together. I do not like to get shots. So I did 2 different phrases. He had a red bump on his chin. All it does is rain all day. So the phrases help you pause and also read with better expression. Okay, I'm gonna scoop it. I want you to read it. All right. Wait for us to come back soon. The bug had 3 red dots. He will buy us some ice cream. So that's just a way you can look at a sentence and break it up into easier parts and also read with more expression, just like your teacher will read a story, not like a robot, but she'll use a lot of expression and that helps you understand it. Thanks.